Hey guys, Chris us here. We are going to the fishing spot right up the road, Strickland Park. I never know if you went there. We're using this bait caster with the bass lure on it. We got multiple rods. We got even an ocean rod. We're about to get up some tide. We're about to get up. Let's get some fish. My sister's in school. It's just me going out here by myself. We're gonna get to fishing. I don't know if you want or I can drive.
You can drive.
It's okay. So we're just gonna head out, see if we can get some big into some bass, get some big ins. We got tied up. We are. Hey guys, Chris here. We got a nice fish. We were just about to reel in, go to another spot, and this guy just hooked up on the worm, and it didn't have the set hook him. It was crazy. That's a pretty nice size. Right there under the tree when I was reeling in.
It's a little brush pile.
Little brush pile. Let's do it. We are. Hey guys, fish comes right here. Dude, look at that. That's probably one of the biggest fish the biggest bluegill I've ever caught in my whole entire life. Look at that. Look at the size of his. He's a pretty nice.
Put him close to you too. He's really that big.
That is the biggest beast. Look at
1 pounder.
1 pounder. That is the biggest beast I've ever seen in my whole entire life of a bread.
So get him back.
Let's get him back. Keep it on. Hey guys, fish last here. Got a little tiny one. Pretty nice one. Hooked him by myself. Let's get him. Hey guys, fish last here. We got a nice little pumpkin seed. Pretty nice one. Right out there. Just took the bait. Pretty nice one. Let's get her back. Hey guys, fish us here. We got nice quacky. Wait, that's a sunflower seed. Pumpkin seed. We got a piece.
Another huge one, dude.
That's probably bigger. That's gotta be bigger.
Size of that guy.
I need to find it. I got fish us here. Got another fish. We are just about to leave. Pretty nice one. Pretty good.